Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace the serpentine belt on a Mercedes C200. First you must remove the air filter box, so with a flathead screwdriver I will release this hose. Then I will take this cover off and this little one. I will open this hose as well, like that. Then with the E-Torx number 8 I will undo this bolt over here. Now the air filter box is free. I can begin to wiggle it and pull it out like that. And down there you're gonna find actually two belts. The first one over here is running the supercharger and the alternator, and the second one is the serpentine belt, which I'm going to actually replace. So as you can see, in order to take out the serpentine belt I must remove the first belt which runs the supercharger, and there is the tensioner over here. Where is my finger? And there is a tensioner for the serpentine belt. But before I will remove any belt, first I draw the position of both belts. This one is for the supercharger belt, the first one, and this one is for the serpentine belt, which I'm going to remove. Now with the E-Torx number 10 I will release the tension on the first belt and slide the belt off like so, and take it off from the alternator as well, just like so. With the same socket I will release the tension on the serpentine belt like that, slide the belt off, let off the tensioner. Now I can check the dimension of the new belt. It has to match with the old one, of course, and it does. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the new one according to the diagram, of course. And over here I have to pull the serpentine belt between these two rotors like that. You can see the belt is coming out from this way, like so, and this loop will go on the tensioner. Once the belt is on the all rotors, I will place my socket between the loop and apply tension on the tensioner and slide the belt on, just like so. Before releasing the tension I will make sure that the belt sits on the threads like that, and I will release the tensioner and the belt is on. Now I'm gonna do the same for the small belt. Right, so now I've got the loop over there. I will put tension again and place the belt on the tensioner, release. There we go, the belt is on. Now I'm visually inspecting the belt if it sits right on the threads, and it does. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start the engine. I can place back the air filter box. Alright guys, that was it. Thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing by pressing this blue button over here. And until next time, take care and I will see you soon.